One of the most important things you have in your life is time. It's one of your greatest assets, or it's your liability. And being young is great, except it can be a liability to you. Because when you're young, you're just having a lot of fun and life's exciting, it's new. But the thing is, this is the lesson today, is so many people spend their time focusing here. They want to make a lot of money. And I can hear it in their words. They say, oh, I want a career. Okay, or I'm going to start my own business. This is the chart here, which we've seen. This is the cash flow quadrant, book number 2. E is employee. S is small business, self-employed, or a specialist like a doctor, lawyer, web designer. B is big business, 500 employees or more. It's like Steve Jobs, Zuckerberg, Bezos of Amazon, and they have all the money in the world. And I is professional investor. When I was your age, I knew I wanted to get here. This takes time. This is the hardest, This is where the big mega bucks are, but it takes time to get there. The big mistake I see young people make is they focus here. And the words are, I want to do what I love. That's the trick. You see, in real life, sometimes you have to do what you hate. Like, people think I like to write books. I hate writing books. But it fills my purpose in life. It's not my passion, my purpose in life. Because my purpose was to get here. A lot of these guys get trapped here doing what they love. I knew I wanted to go there, and I wasn't doing what I loved. I had to learn what I didn't want to learn. So the reason I make more money, so I invest in what I love rather than do what I love.